The objective of this lesson is to talk about row height and column widths. So we're going to start with column widths. And if you see here in my data set, I have the product, but I cannot see a lot of the products because they are hidden by this other cell or this other column. So what can we do? Option one is to just click on the column and then you can just press and then move it. So for example, I can move it and make it bigger. That's one option. Option two is to double click on the edge of the column, so here, and then it will automatically make the widths as big as my biggest word. So that's another option. Then the third option is to select the column, right click, and then do column widths. And in column widths, you can specify your exact widths, for example, 13. And this is usually useful because if you see here, my column is bigger than the other columns and it might not look that nice when you are presenting the data. So you can select multiple columns and then you can do column widths and then you specify 13 for all of them. And then your data becomes nicer because it's like formatted in the same way. We're gonna do the same thing for the row. So basically for row, again, I can just select my row and then I can make it bigger or smaller by just clicking on the edge here of the row. Option two, I can double click when I have this cross and then it will adjust to the row height, to the biggest height that you have in all your cells. And option three is to just select my rows, right click, and then do row height, and then I can fix my row height. For example, I can say 15, and then my row height will adjust automatically. And all these options are available under home format. You will see row height and column width, so you can click from here and do the same thing. As you see, you get the same menu.